Hey, ladies and gentlemen, Anantians, welcome. So on this how-to video, I'm going to quickly show you how to send gold from your wallet to another wallet. So last night on the Zoom was very exciting where we sent gold to members live. It was very exciting. So you're going to log into your back office, you're going to open up this page, you're going to click on VertiGold, and it's going to open up this page. Then from there, you're going to click on Exchange VertiGold. From Exchange VertiGold, it's going to open up this page. Now on top, you'll see that there's gold to cash. So there is your gold rate, and there is your cash rate. Then from there, it's very important. If you want to know how much money is your rate in gold and vice versa. So yeah, you're at the bottom there, you are going to click, for example, 100 Rand. Then you're going to click on request quote, and it's going to show you your rate in gold. Now, this rate varies from day to day, depending what gold is, where it is. That's why you have to do this all the time, and vice versa. If you have a gold rate and you want to know how much it is worth in money, in Rand, you're going to click on request quote, and it is going to show you your Rand that it is worth. Now, please note, it is vitally, critically important that when you send gold, you must have your VertiGold rate, not the Rand. So then you're going to go back and you're going to click on Send VertiGold. So please remember, you have to use your gold rate. Then you're going to click on, obviously, Send VertiGold. It's going to open up this page. You're going to put a description, send to my friend, to a member, whatever it is. And then in that space, you are going to put in the VertiGold rate, not the Rand rate. You're going to put in their mobile number, and you are going to click on send. Please, again, remember to enter the VertiGold rate. Then you're going to receive a page that says confirm transfer, and you are going to click on confirm. Please make sure that the cell phone number you have entered is correct, because once you press confirm, it is going to send. Then you're going to get a page like this that says successful transaction information. Then the member that you send the gold to is going to receive an SMS like this, as well as an email. Then for them, that member, they simply log into their back office, they go to the gold wallet, and then they click on mini statement. And there they will see the transfer, and it is already in their gold wallet. We did it last night. It literally took maybe 2 minutes from where I send it live to having it in their wallets. Maybe 2 minutes. Then, now that you have received gold, it's going to say 0.1 or 0.5, or whatever the case might be. Then you go back, you log into, you go back, you go to VertiGold Exchange, and there you are going to enter the gold rate. And then you will see how much that is in Rand. Pretty cool, pretty powerful, pretty exciting. Get back to the person that helped you for more information. Stay close to the information. Very soon on the live Zooms, we will be giving away gold and silver and maybe some cash. So join us, stay close. Let's go tell them what this is.